Yo, are you ready to start your own hair care and skincare line but don't know where to begin? What if I told you there's a way to create high quality natural products without the stress of formulation or production? Stay tuned because I'm about to show you how we can make launching your brand easier than ever. Hi, my name is Sylus, aka 26 King Wavy, and I'm passionate about helping entrepreneurs like you bring their skincare and hair care visions to life. Whether you're dreaming of starting a boutique, brand, or expanding your current line, we got you covered with our natural, high quality product and private labeling options. Let me walk you through the process. Step 1, schedule your meeting. The first step is simple. You'll schedule a meeting with us to discuss your unique needs. During this session, we'll cover everything from the type of products that you want to offer to the branding and the best representation of your vision. This is your chance to ask questions, share your ideas, and let us guide you towards the best solution. Step 2, choosing your fulfillment options. Now, here's where we make it flexible for you. We offer 2 fulfillment options, so you can choose whatever works best for your business. The first option is our bulk delivery service. This is the more cost-effective choice for those who prefer to handle the final packaging themselves. We'll send you the product in high-quality containers. Once you receive it, all you need to do is fill your bottles or jars and label them. Simple, right? Option 2, full-service packaging. If you're looking for something more convenient, our second option might be perfect for you. With this option, we take care of everything. Your stress is our stress. We'll find your jars or bottles, apply your custom labels, and ship them to you directly. Now, it's a little more expensive, but it saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on growing your brand. Step 3, processing and delivery. Once you choose your option, we'll get started on processing your order. During your initial meeting, we'll provide you with a clear timeline so you know exactly when to expect your products. Our team is committed to delivering on time while maintaining the highest standards of quality. So what are you waiting for? Your brand deserves products that not only look amazing, but delivers incredible results to your customers. Let us handle the hard work so you can focus on building your empire. Schedule your meeting today and let's turn that dream into a reality. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's create something amazing together. See you on the next video. Peace.